Over here at Desert West, this is the park I fish. They stopped stocking it with trout just recently, and now they're putting in catfish.
What, Papa?
This is where we fish.
No. Huh?
And that on the other side over there where the trees are at, right there in that spot, that's where I usually fish, right here. Right there. In between that tree and that tree, we fish in that area. It's not a bad park. And the police station's right on the other side, right there. There's another lake on the other side over here, about the same size.